Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever had a good hair day and felt like you could conquer the world? Or a bad hair day that just threw your whole vibe off? It's not just in your head. Our hair is so much more than just a style statement. It's an extension of ourselves, a biological antenna, and a source of incredible personal power. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating connection between our strands and our strength, exploring how you can harness the energy of your hair for greater well-being and empowerment. So grab a cup of tea, get comfy, and let's unlock the hidden powers of your hair together. So, why does our hair matter so much? From a purely biological standpoint, hair is an amazing feature. Each strand is composed primarily of a protein called keratin and grows from follicles deep within our skin. It protects our scalp from the sun, helps regulate body temperature, and acts as a sensory organ. Think about it. You can feel the slightest breeze or the lightest touch through your hair. It's a living part of our sensory system, constantly feeding information to our brain. But the connection goes much deeper than that. Throughout history and across countless cultures, hair has been seen as a symbol of strength, wisdom, and vitality. Think of the biblical story of Samson, whose immense strength was tied to his long hair. In many Native American traditions, hair is considered a physical manifestation of one's thoughts and a connection to the Great Spirit. It's often grown long and only cut during times of mourning or significant life change. Similarly, in Sikhism, uncut hair, or kesh, is a sacred article of faith, symbolizing a commitment to living in harmony with the will of God. These aren't just old stories. They're reflections of a deep-seated human intuition that our hair is intrinsically linked to our inner power. This isn't just spiritual woo-woo. There's some fascinating science that backs this up. Our hair acts like an antenna. The follicles at the base of each strand are connected to a rich network of nerves and blood vessels. This means our hair is constantly interacting with the environment, picking up on subtle energies, atmospheric changes, and even vitamin D from sunlight. Some theories suggest that long hair can act as an extension of the nervous system, a sort of sixth sense that enhances our intuition and awareness. It's like having thousands of tiny whiskers that help us navigate the world with greater sensitivity. When we are stressed, our bodies release cortisol, and guess what? That cortisol shows up in our hair. Scientists can actually analyze a strand of hair to track a person's stress levels over months. This shows a direct physical link between our emotional state and the very fibers growing from our heads. So when you're feeling run down, anxious, or burned out, your hair is literally carrying a record of that experience. Conversely, when you are healthy, happy, and balanced, your hair reflects that too. It becomes stronger, shinier, and more vibrant. Healthy hair is often a sign of a healthy body and a clear mind. It's an outward indicator of your inner well-being. So now for the exciting part. How can we actively harness this energy for our own empowerment? It all starts with mindful hair care. This isn't about buying the most expensive products. It's about treating your hair with intention and respect. When you wash your hair, instead of rushing through it, turn it into a ritual. As you massage your scalp, visualize yourself washing away not just the physical dirt, but any negative energy, stress, or self-doubt. Feel the water cleansing your spirit as it cleanses your strands. When you condition your hair, imagine you are nourishing it with positive intentions, strength, and confidence. This simple shift in mindset can transform a routine chore into a powerful act of self-love. The products you use matter too. Opt for natural, gentle ingredients that nourish your hair from the root up. Think of it as feeding your hair the same way you defeed your body with healthy food. Chemicals, harsh sulfates, and excessive heat styling can damage the hair shaft, effectively numbing its ability to act as a sensitive antenna. By treating your hair gently, you are preserving its natural integrity and its connection to your nervous system. Brushing your hair can also be a meditative practice. Use a natural bristle brush and brush slowly from scalp to tip. Visualize the brush smoothing out not just tangles in your hair, but tangles in your thoughts, bringing clarity and calm. This stimulates blood flow to the scalp, promoting healthy growth and invigorating your entire system. Let's talk about hair and intuition. Have you ever had a gut feeling about something? Many believe that our hair plays a role in sharpening this intuitive sense. By keeping your hair healthy, you are essentially fine-tuning one of your body's most sensitive instruments. Pay attention to the physical sensations in your hair and on your scalp. Does your hair ever stand on end when you feel a certain emotion or walk into a particular room? That's your body's primal warning system at work. The more you pay attention to these subtle cues, the stronger your intuition will become. You can practice this by spending time in nature. Let the wind blow through your hair and just notice the sensations. It's a simple way to reconnect with your body and the world around you. Furthermore, how you style your hair can have a profound impact on your energy and mindset. Think about how you feel when your hair is pulled back tightly versus when it is loose and free. A tight, structured style might help you feel focused and ready for business. Letting your hair down, quite literally, can signal to your body and mind that it's time to relax, be creative, and express yourself freely. Braiding your hair can be a particularly powerful act. As you weave the strands together, you can set an intention for what you want to manifest, weaving in thoughts of strength, creativity, or peace. The braid then becomes a physical reminder of that intention throughout your day. Experiment with different styles and pay attention to how they make you feel. Your hairstyle can be a tool to consciously shift your energy and align with your goals for the day. Unlocking your hair's hidden power is ultimately about recognizing it as a vital part of who you are. It's an extension of your body, a receiver for environmental energy, and a reflection of your inner spirit. When you start treating your hair with the reverence it deserves, you're not just improving its appearance, you're nurturing your entire being. You're boosting your vitality, sharpening your intuition, and stepping into a more empowered version of yourself. Your hair is a crown you never take off. It tells a story of your health, your emotions, and your journey. By caring for it, you are caring for yourself on a profoundly deep level. So the next time you look in the mirror, see your hair for what it truly is, a beautiful, powerful extension of your unique energy. Embrace its texture, its color, its quirks. Nurture it, listen to it, and let it be a source of strength and confidence in your daily life. The connection between our strands and our strength is real, and it's waiting for you to tap into it. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey into the science and spirit of our hair. I hope this has inspired you to look at your own hair in a new and empowering light. What are your hair rituals? Do you have any stories about the power of your hair? Share them in the comments below. I would absolutely love to read them. If you enjoyed this video and want more content on well-being and personal empowerment, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, take care and stay powerful.